A Clarity Direct Neurofeedback session is quick, safe, and pain-free. Let's see what a session looks like. While the client sits in a comfortable chair, the skin on the forehead, behind the ears, and at the base of the neck is prepped with an exfoliant and cleaned with rubbing alcohol. EEG sensors are attached using a water-soluble conductive paste. When the sensors are secure, we check the Clarity software for a strong EEG signal that shows the client's brainwave activity. The protocol begins and the software sends a customized imperceptible signal from the EEG through the sensors. Most clients report feeling nothing at the sensor points. Most report feeling sensations of relaxation or calmness during the session. The Clarity provider checks on the client's experience and adjusts the protocol accordingly. 10 to 20 minutes later, the protocol ends. The Clarity provider removes the sensors and again cleans the skin. Clarity Direct Neurofeedback is quick, painless, and safe for all ages.